Hey guys, so if you want to change Fortnite from 12 to 20 FPS to something like this, 120 to 150 FPS, stay tuned. Watch this video till the end. Hey folks, I'm using HP laptop having i7 processor and 16 gig of RAM and Intel HD 620 graphic card. Before we start doing any changes, we need to update to the latest drivers version for the display adapter. Go to the device manager, display adapter, and then select the Intel graphic card you are having and then click on update drivers and search online for the latest available drivers from Intel site. For this demonstration, I have already upgraded the drivers, so already have the best of the drivers on this laptop. So guys, first check out display settings. Make sure that it's a built-in display and the maximum resolution with 60 Hz frequency and maintain the aspect ratio is maintained. Moving back, go to the video settings. Here, make sure that you use the application default setting only for the total color correction. Make sure that you disable that setting. Make sure to apply the changes, otherwise you might lose the changes. Now go to 3D settings. Here, make sure you have application default setting checked and under global, make sure application optimal mode is enabled. Now go to power settings. Under power settings, make sure you change the balance mode from balance mode to the maximum performance when it is on battery. Also make sure you disable the power saving technology. Apply the same settings for the plugged in mode where you make the changes to maximum performance. This concludes all the settings for the graphic card. Hey guys, now let's change some system settings. For that, click on search bar and this PC and properties. In the properties section, go to the advanced system settings and advanced system settings. Again, click on the performance tab and select the settings again there and click on adjust for the best performance. After that, do a checkbox on show thumbnail instead of icons and smooth edges of the screen fonts and apply the settings. Hey guys, after this, go to the command prompt by clicking on CMD and then run as administrator. Select the power command. I'll paste it in the description of this video. Copy it and paste it on the command prompt and hit the enter button. After hitting the command, you should see an ultimate performance that will enable a new option in the power settings. Now click on the battery icon, go to the power option and then select the ultimate performance there. Okay, the third step is to install a application that will clear the RAM and at the same time it will there is another application that will enable to boost your CPU performance. I will provide the link for both these application download in my video description. Please go and check out. Also, I will add a video that will have the similar kind of instructions to install this utility. So double click and click next to install this utility on your laptop. I have already installed, so I'm not going to do that again. Once you install it, go and click in the system quick memory bar or on the desktop and click on the settings and then make sure it is checkbox enabled for the startup. Now guys, go to the system taskbar, click on the memory reduction application, click on the click memory. This should release all the or free up the memory which has not been used and this will give you definitely better performance. Next step is to do a quick CPU installation. This will enable you to turbo boost your processor. Click on this application, click next and install it. I already installed it, so I'm just not going to do that again. Once you install it, then go on to the application. In the power data, make sure you select the ultimate performance when it is plugged in or on the battery both the times and make sure you pull all those indicator bars to 100% and apply those settings. Same thing you have to do it when it's on the battery. Make sure all the below progress bar are made to 100%. So folks, I applied these game settings. Make sure you pause this video and go over the settings and try to apply the same settings before you start the game. That's it guys. If you like this video and if you have got some value out of it, please do not forget to subscribe my channel as well as like this video. This will really motivate me. Thank you so much for watching.